Hello, my name is Zuna Ngova, first year EPT student. In this advanced human-computer interaction course, I was dealing with keyboard input and typing, specifically on one-handed or half-QWERTY keyboards. The presentation covered keyboard, standard QWERTY keyboard, one-hand or half-QWERTY keyboard, examples of one-handed keyboard, operations, advantages and disadvantages of one-handed keyboard, conclusion, and last three readings. Starting with keyboards, are the most common text input device which allows rapid entry of text by experienced users. Thus, people with typing skills is easier for them to type or to enter text using keyboard. And when we press keys, it causes character code to be sent. Thus, for example, if we press character F, thus we are causing that character F code to be sent. Keyboard can be connected by cable or it can be wireless, but all it serves as text input device. The most common keyboard used today is called a standard QWERTY keyboard, which has familiar layout and it is considered as the world standard because of being popular and being incorporated with familiar layout. Almost any device comes with this standard QWERTY keyboard. For example, smartphones are incorporated with this standard QWERTY keyboard. This kind of keyboard can be designed for specific for offices, web or gaming use, or any kind of special purposes. The keys in this standard QWERTY keyboard are arranged as one alphanumeric keys. And this kind of keyboard comes with a different layout, and there are a US layout and UK layout, but there is minor differences between these UK and US keyboard layers. There are some challenges where this standard QWERTY keyboard are encountering, and one of them is difficult to learn, speed and accuracy, slower keywords, requirement of two hands, keyboard being quite large, and due to these challenges, it has led to the invention of one-handed keyboard. So let's see what one-handed keyboard or half-QWERTY is, and this is our main concern of this presentation. One-handed keyboard is a text input device which refers to the ability of the device to allow a user to perform all necessary data entry function with only one hand. That means all operations in the keyboard are being done by using only one hand. It is developed for one-hand use, and it comprises a variety of keys. That there are some other kind of one-hand keyboard which has all the necessary keys that can be found in a standard QWERTY keyboard. Some users modified software. For example, in some other kind of one-handed keyboard called a Matias keyboard, it uses modified software. So we'll see later what this modified software does in this one-handed keyboard. Also, this kind of one-handed keyboard is designed to reduce the fatigue for repetitive strain injury that can be caused when typing using standard QWERTY keyboard. For example, the Matron left-handed keyboard is designed specifically for reducing the fatigue for repetitive strain injury. We have different examples of one-handed keyboard, and one of them is called Dvorak, who managed to create a keyboard which uses two hands, but also managed to create a keyboard which uses one hand, and that is Dvorak right hand and Dvorak left hand. In this kind of keyboard, there are features such as common letters and dominant fingers. That means there are some common letters or characters which are mostly applied in English words, and these letters are being incorporated into dominant fingers. Also, it is based towards right hand because in some people, right hand is more active compared to the left hand, and this is what Dvorak tried to improve from other kinds of keyboard. Common combination of letters alternate between fingers, and also in this kind of developer keyboard, it seems that there are improvement from 10 to 15% in speed and also in reduction in fatigue. Another example of one-handed keyboard is called the Matron left-handed keyboard, which is designed to reduce fatigue for repetitive strain injury, and it's also all for one-hand use only. Another examples of one-handed keyboard is called chord keyboards, which comprise few keys and letters typed as a combination of key presses. In these kinds of keyboard also it takes short time to learn and it seems to be faster. We have different features applied in one-handed keyboard during operation. One of them is called modifier software, which is provided for switching between half of the characters in the keyboard and the other half of the characters in the keyboard. This is more applicable in half-QWERTY keyboard or Matthias keyboard, where it comprises all of the plurality of the keys which can be found in standard QWERTY keyboard. But the difference in this kind of the keyboard is that half of the keys are made active while the other half of the keys are made invisible. So in order to retrieve the other half of the characters which are made invisible, then there are modifier software which help for switching between those active and inactive characters. Keys are incorporated into modifier software. Also, we have spacebar. In this kind of the keyboard, spacebar plays two roles. One as a modifier to retrieve the missing characters or the invisible characters or the inactive characters, and one as a spacebar. When spacebar is pressed and released for a given period of time, it makes the invisible character to be active. But also when it is pressed and released for a given period of time, it creates a character space as normal. All these operations are being done by one hand. And we have another feature called mirroring that mirrors image mapping of the keyboard operation, that when you're retrieving these characters, you cannot see it that now you have retrieved the invisible characters and now they are visible. Instead, it is just mirroring on your finger, and your brain are the tool to control all of the characters which have been retrieved, those which were invisible or which were made inactive. For example, in two-handed typing, the letter J is typed using index finger of the right hand in the home row. For example, in figure 1 right side, you can see it. Figure 1 shows a standard QWERTY keyboard divided into two parts, that is half of the keyboard. Using one-hand keyboard technique, J is entered with the left hand by holding down the space bar and pressing F key, as it can be seen on figure 2. This is called the half-QWERTY keyboard, where standard QWERTY keyboard have been separated into two parts, and this is where we get half-QWERTY keyboard. Figure 2 showing a spacebar when depressed and released to retrieve the other missing characters. Here are advantages of one-handed keyboard. We have skill transfer. This is in such a way that if you already have typing skills using standard QWERTY keyboard, then typing in one-handed keyboard, it can be easy, as you can use the same skills used in two-hands keyboard to use this one-handed keyboard. Size in this one-handed keyboard is smaller compared to two-handed keyboard, that we can incorporate this small size of the keyboard into a portable computers. Also, this kind of the keyboard allows you to perform more than one task, that you can one hand can be typing while the other hand can be holding something. Also, this kind of the keyboard is a solution for people with disabilities or for people with one hand, that they can feel comfortable using this one-handed keyboard. And you can use any of your hand, either left or right, for example in this half-QWERTY keyboard or Matthias keyboard. And there are some other kinds of keyboard which provide tactile feedback. Here are disadvantages of using one-handed keyboard. There are mechanical injury. For example, if you are typing for a long period of time using one hand, sometimes you may get injury in your hand. We have lack of feedback, and this is more in half-QWERTY keyboard, where you are trying to retrieve the invisible characters, but there is no alarm that can alert you that now you already retrieved these invisible characters. Low speed, also this apply in Matthias keyboard or half-QWERTY keyboard, where the time you are using to retrieve the invisible characters are lowering the speed of typing. Difficult to learn specific hand, for example in Matron left hand, where you only need to use left hand, but for some users may prefer to use right hand. Expensive is also one of the disadvantages of using this one-handed keyboard. Lastly, I would say that one-handed keyboard can be adopted easily if the following should be taken into consideration. Being made simple and easier to learn, efficiently in performing, skill transfer, improvement of speed and accuracy, maintain current standard QWERTY keyboard, provide feedback, and being incorporated into devices. Thank you.